to my channel, guys. If you are new, hello, my name is Blanca Estela, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a look using the new Conspiracy palette by Shane Dawson and Jefreestar Cosmetics. This one right here. I was so excited when I saw that they were going to come up with the collection, because it is just so cool, and I love Shane and Jeffree, so I was so excited. I was in line for almost 3 hours trying to get 2 palettes. I got one for me and one for my cousin, and yeah, I also wanted to get the 𝙎𝙤𝙢𝘾𝙄𝘼𝙎, but that was out of stock, so I did get a palette. When they do restock, though, I am going to try to get more from the collection, probably the bundle, the lip bundle, and the 𝙎𝙤𝙢𝘾𝙄𝑗. Prefer not. I did get the palette, so I'm going to be using it today. I did already prime my eyelids. I used my Soft Ochre Paint Pot by MAC. And I'm just going to go ahead and jump in with the eyeshadow. I'm still not sure what look I want to do, but obviously it's going to be something colorful because, come on now. But I'm also going to be doing a more neutral, simple look using the palette as well, because I think, in my opinion, this palette can do a really colorful, out of your comfort zone look, but you can also do something really simple and really beautiful and neutral. So I'm going to be doing that one probably next, like my next look I film. So yes, okay. So I'm gonna go in, I think, with the orange, just because I don't think I've ever used like orange in my channel before. So I'm going to go in with the orange one, which is called Cheese Dust, which is a little piggy right here. So cute. I just love all the stamps on here. They are just so adorable. So I did pick up a good amount of product. So I'm just going to go ahead and stamp this in my crease. And then go back and forth with it. If you guys ordered anything from the collection, comment down below what did you order, or if you didn't get to get anything, what would you have ordered, and are you going to order something when they restock next year? I just think it's crazy how they're gonna restock in 2020. Like, oh my god. Okay, so that's pretty much what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and dip this into the red shade next to it, which is called Flaming Hot. So this one right here. The palette looks a little bit dirty because of the swatches, but this is my first time using it, so pretty excited. Just going to dip into it a little bit. Damn, that's a lot of product. And I'm actually going to use this to blend out the orange shade on top. So this is actually my third Jefreestar palette. My first palette ever was the red one, what's it called? The Blood Sugar palette. And then I got the Jawbreaker palette, and I did give one of those away. Yeah, and I really love the eyeshadows. They're really blendable, really easy to work with, and pigmented as fuck. But I don't know, and I don't own anything else by Jefreestar. Like, no lipsticks, no highlighters, no nothing. It's just the eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to go in with this burgundy shade called Not a Fact. So this one right here. Now I'm going to put that in my crease. I'm going to be using a really small brush. A really small pencil brush. A little bit. I am going to go ahead and cut it. So, to cut it, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Whatever is left of it. I do need to open the new one. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and grab the yellow shade, which is called Food Vibes. This is a bright ass yellow neon shade right here. Oh my god, what am I pointing at? This one right here. And I'm going to put that on top of where I cut the crease. I've never done a look with a matte shadow on the lid. So I'm pretty excited about this. And I hope it comes out good. So now I'm going to go ahead and smoke out the outer V with the same burgundy shade I used in my crease. That's why I only put it halfway or 2/3 of the way. And I'm just going to slowly bring it to the crease one more time. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and go in with liner. I'm using my Wet n Wild Mega Slim Skinny Tip Eyeliner. This one right here. You already know we're going to go ahead and wing this bitch out because it's me. Hello. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and wing this out. This is one of my favorite drugstore eyeliners. It's only like $5. And it's amazing. Now what I'm going to do, something I've literally never done before. I'm going to grab one of the shimmer shades. And I think we're going to go ahead with Conspiracy, which is the light, kind of like the light lime green kind of shade. The shimmery one right here. And I'm actually going to get a angled brush. And I'm going to go ahead and apply that to underneath the black wing. So that's what it looks like so far with the eyeshadow underneath the wing. I actually like how it came out. Super cute. For lashes today, I'm going to be using the Black Me Collection lashes in the style Maui. These ones right here. I do have a code. If you want to use my code, you can get 20% off. All my discount codes are always linked in the description box of all my channels, of all my videos. But I will link the discount code on the screen somewhere. You guys can go ahead and use it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply those lashes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my face makeup. So I have the lashes on. The eye look is almost done. I just do the bottom lashes, but first I'm going to go ahead and do my face makeup. I'm just going to run through it really quick. I'm going to put it on fast forward so you guys can just see the products I'm using, but I'm not going to talk there just because I do really want to finish this video because I do have other 2 videos that I have to do after this. So